This boat's going to go into the yellow thing, right?
So yeah, when you got 5 left, eh? 2! Stop there! Wait!
Right.
This is 3 National News with John Hawkesby.
Tonight, rescue on Ruapehu, but it's come too late for at least one climber. Good evening. 1 safe, 1 body, 1 missing. Attempts to find the last of 3 men caught by an avalanche on Mt Ruapehu have just been called off for the night. The injured climber who first raised the alarm has been brought down and taken to hospital. 3 National News cameraman Jeff Mackley joined the search in atrocious conditions.
The only survivor, David Hall, was stretchered down the mountain with a broken ankle late this afternoon. He was tipped out of the avalanche when it blew down the pinnacles yesterday. His 2 companions weren't so lucky. Specialists from the Ruapehu Alpine Rescue Organisation began searching for the missing 20-year-olds at daybreak. Trained avalanche police dogs were used to try and trace a scent amongst the debris of snow and ice.
We've got 2 police dogs operating up there that have been training here for a number of years, and we've got 15 people from the Ruapehu Alpine Rescue Organisation who spend an inordinate amount of time training each year. So I think we've got the best crew available.
An unusual southeasterly wind pattern in the area has caused the avalanche conditions, but the weather's been so bad here that avalanche control has been impossible. So all it took yesterday was 3 trampers walking in the area to trigger the snowfall. 25 members of the University of Auckland Alpine Club had been tramping in the area. On Monday night, they'd been forced into a hut. Yesterday, Hamish Aubrey-Coulter and fellow instructor Stephen Rusty Court took Hall for a day tramp in the pinnacles. The avalanche swept down at 5 last night. Hall, unable to find the other 2, trekked 3.5 hours back to the hut to raise the alarm. Friends of Coulter and Court say they were experienced climbers, 2 of 5 instructors conducting a basic snow skills course for beginners.
Yes, they both have a reasonable amount of experience with mountains, and they both know their stuff when it comes to the alpine situation.
The 22 remaining students in the party walked out in blizzard conditions this afternoon and talked of the harrowing night in the hut, fearing the worst for their colleagues.
It was very, very difficult. Not very many people got very much sleep, so it was very difficult, yeah.
Searchers found a body this afternoon and are hopeful of finding the other missing students soon. Andy Brotherston, 3 National News.